Hi there, meet the Vonanda Sofa Bed, a 4-in-1 multifunction folding ottoman perfect for small spaces. This convertible design quickly transforms from an ottoman to a sofa, lounger, or bed to fit your needs. Built with high-quality materials, it supports up to 440 pounds without any assembly required. The breathable linen fabric and high-density sponge provide comfort and support with a 5-level adjustable backrest. Its compact, stylish design is ideal for apartments, dorms, studios, or offices. Easy to clean and maintain, it's a space-saving solution for unexpected guests. Enjoy versatility and comfort all in one modern piece. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.